In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your ElevenLabs API key for Python step by step so you can start using it in your own projects quickly and correctly. This is a really useful setup if you want to generate voice, automate audio workflows, or connect ElevenLabs to scripts and apps with Python. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and look at the left sidebar. You'll see a Workspace mode option there, and your first step is to switch it over to ElevenLabs API. This is important because it takes you into the area where API management tools are available. Once you've selected that mode, look just below it and click on API keys. That will take you to the page where all your keys are managed. On this new page, if you have not created a key yet, click on Create Keys. This is the button that starts the API key setup process. After that, you'll be asked to configure the API so you can control what it has access to. Take a moment here to review the settings carefully and choose the permissions that fit your project needs. If you're using this for Python, it's always a good idea to keep access as limited as possible while still allowing the features you actually need. Once everything is configured, complete the creation process. After your key is generated, you can copy the API key and save it somewhere secure. This is the key you'll use inside your Python projects to connect your code with ElevenLabs. A quick tip: don't share this key publicly and don't paste it into places that other people can see. Treat it like a password because it gives access to your account or API resources depending on your settings. If you ever need to use it later in Python, you can paste it into your environment variables or your configuration file depending on how your project is set up. And that's it, you now know how to get your ElevenLabs API key for Python. It only takes a few steps, but once it's set up, you can build some really powerful automations and voice projects. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.